coilovers on my new car. So I bought an Audi S3 2010 DSG. Let's do it. Don't know if you can hear that. Find out in a bit. Well, there you go. Right, we've just pulled up to Morrison's. I'm just waiting for Tom and Dan. They have also got some new cars, so we'll be doing a bit of a little video on them as well. So as soon as they pull up, I'll get some pictures and some video clips even. And yeah, so we're having a bit of a race car day, as we call it. Good deal. Yeah. Hi. Race cars. You can talk. What you like on camera? He's panicking. Right, we're at the lockup now, playing race cars. Mine's ready for the coilovers and a few other bits. Dan's backing in. It's probably going to make a loud noise because he does that. Oh, we like that. That's good. There's another one that's not good with cameras. S3. Here comes the yobbo. I think you need an exhaust, it's quite quiet.
It's in green mode.
Green mode, right.
Yeah, it's a hybrid.
Eco, is it?
Yeah.
Eco boost. It's an eco boost, is this one? Look at the lineup. Right, it's time to wait, we'll be back. Look at this. That's rather fancy. Any words?
Someone's got far too much money.
Yes, I do.
Wasn't me.
Wasn't him. That's very nice.
Took this off for the purpose of the video because it's really gay.
What is it?
It's a battery cover that says VXL. It's possibly the gayest thing I've ever seen in my life.
It's a bit. It doesn't even fit.
No, not even slightly. I don't even know which way it goes. Yeah, it goes like that. Oh, there you go. It fits better now.
Oh, actually, it's just a bit long.
It's just still gay.
Yeah. Sure. Well, let's start doing things.
Yes.
One side is done. Take this down. Go on, Tom. See what it does. Thought it might do that. We need it in neutral and the handbrake off, don't we? Oh, there we go.
Now it's low.
It's kind of the same though, isn't it? It's not.
Get tape measure out.
But it's not going to settle until all 4 are done. So, well, step 1. It's time for number 2. Right, it's some time later now. We've done both back ones and we've just done this front corner. So we're about to lower it and see what difference it makes. So here it goes.
We're going down.
So I drop the handbrake. If it'll. Oh, it's done a bit. It's done a bit. Ooh.
Feel that settle in.
Yeah.
Look at the back.
So we've still got the other side to do. And then, yeah.
It'll drop more when you drop the other side.
And yeah. Oh, it's a good day. Needs wheels now. Really bad.
Really bad.
But it's a good day.
It's still sick.
We'll check back in when it's all loaded. And sat on the floor. See you in a bit.
That's recorded? Oh.
No, stop it. We need to practice first.
This is practice. Just watch my car.
Can't do it. I just had it.
Do a backflip.
Apart from last time we did backflip.
I can hear you.
Right,
Da-da,
let's go.
da-da. Careful, the top bit's nearly going inside you.
I'm not sure you've got tiny boobs, imagine I'm black.
Right, one more pogo. Just put Dilly on top bit.
Right, the final one. Tom's bringing it down. Oh, he's done it slowly. Mine just broke.
Wow.
Wow, she's low. She's low.
If that comes out, that's a bonus.
Right, we'll driving home because it's a late one, and then I'll get some video of it when it's at home and it's settled a bit. So I'll see you then. Right, quick walk around. We're done. It's a bit. It's not too late. We're still gonna get a takeaway, so it's winning. So here we go.
Food is low.
I'd say that is a pretty low car. Wheels next, and a major service, but that's expensive and boring, so that won't matter. Yeah, very happy, and thanks to Tom as well. Right, I'll see you in the next one.